Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's Junior Dominite. SSJ just dropped a new video. Well, he dropped it 2 days ago, but I'm gonna react to it. It's the Birds and the Z's DBZ Parody with SSJ 9000. Let's go ahead and hop right into it.
SSJ!
I saw I saw part of this on Instagram. Like it's only like a minute of it, but I really want to know down below if anyone knows, or if SSJ, if you're watching this, can you really sing? Like I'm really like curious because someone asked me the other day, like, can he really sing? I'm like, bro, I think you can really sing.
God!
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell is you yelling at? Huh?
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at?
Get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you!
Okay, Dad, but you're singing. It makes me want to blast myself in the face.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wiped her.
Why would you do that? You monster!
Wait, that's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had the talk with you?
The talk?
You know, the birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
Oh, bird hating ass. Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Each other? No, okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then, after 9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No! A baby, Gohan!
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
It's useless.
Dad?
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible. And one day, maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids. And neglect them.
What was that?
And neglect them.
What was that?
Okay. That's it for the video. I'll leave the link for the original video in the description down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I got 2 of my pages right here. One of the pages you're on right now. And then I got 2 playlists and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys next time. Yeah.